Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 2 on your tablet. To get started, you'll primarily rely on cloud gaming services, which stream the game directly to your device over the internet. This means the heavy processing is done remotely, allowing your tablet to simply display the action. You'll need a robust internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or faster, and a good Bluetooth controller for the best experience. Once you understand the basics, your next step is choosing a suitable cloud gaming service. Options like NVIDIA GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming are popular choices for streaming high-fidelity games. It's crucial to verify that your chosen service operates in your geographical area. Also, remember that some platforms might require you to already own Red Dead Redemption 2 on a compatible gaming store. Now, let's talk about the cost and how to offset it. The Delta Platinum card has an annual fee of $350. However, it offers several statement credits that can help reduce this cost. You can get up to $120 annually in Resai credits and another $120 for rideshare services. Additionally, there's a credit for global entry or TSA pre-check application fees, up to $100 every 4 years for global entry. These credits, combined with the companion certificate, can significantly offset the annual fee. Now for the exciting part, playing the game. Open the Cloud Gaming app and log into your account. Navigate to the game library and select Red Dead Redemption 2. The game will then stream to your tablet. You might want to adjust some in-game settings, like graphics quality or resolution, to find the perfect balance between visual fidelity and smooth performance for your specific tablet and internet connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.